data migration in OutSystems environments takes this long, and the DMM Infosistema cuts it down to...
Yeah, our measures told us that it's about 1 to 100. So,
really?
Yes. But it always depends on your, as I told you in the beginning, your complexity and size of your migration. We have the right page in your product page. If you go to infosistema.com and DMM project, we have the right page there that tells you all these metrics and measures we've made in the past. So but it's not just time, it's time, it's cost, because you pay and you have no hidden fees within Infosistema DMM. You subscribe for 1 year,
okay,
and then you won't pay for any services, any configuration services or any consultancy services from Infosistema.
okay.
Okay, we just sell the product as is off the shelf, so just install it, set it up, and you start using.
Okay.
So there are no hidden costs there. And it's also errors. So when you have a human manually writing these scripts or a team, what we'll do is that in a few days you'll change something in your source because you add a column, you add some information, or you change some constraint. And now you need to go back to your scripts and check if this change has some needed change also in the script. So it's very easy to, after some time, to fail or to forget something. So it will also reduce errors. So it's these 3 factors you will be reducing when you adopt Infosistema DMM. So it's the time to make the script, it's the cost of those scripts, and it's the errors that those scripts may contain if you try to maintain them.